Yo, what it do, YouTube? This is C-Mac300C Hemi back again with a quick video on the 2013 Chrysler 300C Hemi. Introducing red velvet. You did. Got the slap put back in today. Sounding wonderful. But anyway, I'm gonna talk to you about these. I am going to change those halogens to LEDs. So I didn't just get the bulbs, I did better. I just went on ahead and I actually just got the whole housing. It came with the 3M and everything. Got some literature. So here's the actual bulb. So I just went on ahead and just got the whole housing, you know what I mean? Instead of the bulb, that way I know for sure that it's gonna work. So it's simple. You just unscrew, snap in. I ain't gotta go through it all with you because that's what you're changing. You're changing it to that. So that's just that quick tutorial off the brake lights, LED, the whole configuration. So shout out to Mopar Gang. Shout out to Moderate Mods. You know, if you got a 300 and you in the Indianapolis area or the surrounding areas, get at me. Links in the description. So you know what to do. Peace.